Hello guys, good morning. Tayo magluluto ng lunch for today's video. Ang palaya with egg and sabaw na binukugan. Yummy yummy and your tummy. And let's enjoy our lunch for today's guys. Thank you for watching. Sayonara, babush. Tikman nyo ang soup number 5. And then, unan hurot na guys. Babush.